So I would like to welcome this week Atlas Brookings to the Lookout Lecture.
What I need to do is just start with a volunteer.
Oh, does he know this? Yeah.
He's a performing artist who appears to demonstrate highly developed mental or intuitive abilities.
Thank heavens I got this right.
Wow.
Reaching into your mind and revealing your thoughts.
It's the King of Hearts, Sam.
As he does the impossible.
I'll open it up here for you. It says, greetings from Japan.
What?
Right here, I don't know if you can see the post date.
What?
It's April 14th.
No way.
But each of you has the coin in your right hand. Am I right?
Yeah.
All right. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good grief. You didn't give anything away. That was like the strongest poker face of the day.